Vince Canapigan, also from YNI. I sent testimony and I stand on that testimony. I just wanted to add this one little piece after hearing the youth. You know, it's just, I've been in the community building and the cultural practices teaching arena for about 15, 18 years now, actually about more than 20 years. Running programs in the schools in Hawaii in particular, but actually doing work all over this island and on all the islands. It's, what you just heard here is like the tip of the iceberg. There are hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of youth that have been learning this practice of Kuli. And it's a very elaborate practice. It is not a simple little thing. You cannot jump on a board, get a stone, grab power from someplace and pound and expect to make Paliai or Koi in the traditional manner. It takes quite a bit of skill. And I just wanted to share that because I know there's been concerns with people and friends of ours about kind of opening the can of worms, you know. But really, it's a practice that takes so much skill that you can't really have a beginner jump in there and produce this. And as the youth have so eloquently said, you know, this passing this bill is really a way of enabling them to continue cultural practice in an economic sense and also in a health sense, because this is some of the best food that is made.
Anybody else this morning wishing to testify?
Thank you for leading our state in formulating rules that make things better for our people. The stone that I have here is 200 years old. It's 200 years old. It's the stone of my father and my grandfather before. What I'm saying about that is that my issue on the subject is 12 generations deep. And I, being a young man, in great health, with the exception of losing my hair, my hearing is good, and my eyesight is gone. But I have no major illness. That I attribute to eating food from childhood. I have finite IQ on this subject, finite IQ on this subject. I know every stage of koi making from the time it's put my name in my practice. I bring that into the discussion because that's protecting the cultural integrity of the practice. I'm glad to hear what Mr. Oshiro had said, and Mr. Oshiro has reached those conclusions because of an earlier meeting that we had with him. So the mood and the temperament is a lot more cooperative than it was earlier before the year ended. So we're in a good place with regards to working together. Safety is without any question a major concern for us, as it was for my grandfather before. The word halo is about God. So we have no choice but to do it right. Promulgation of rules that protect the founder and the community is of vital importance to us.